Hey, hi, and today I want to talk about what you can do to create a digital detox practice for your child, especially when they are using cellular phones. Okay, so what is the one thing you must do is install the Google Family Link app on your phone and your child's phone. This is probably one of the best apps that I've seen and something that I recommend to most of my clients to install for themselves and their child. This will give you a greater control on the usage of your child's digital medium, especially phones, though you cannot invade their privacy, but definitely you can control the amount of time that they're going to be using phones. Today, phone usage is one of the biggest challenges we face as a society, not just for children, even us as adults. So it is not an easy one to beat. Definitely, it's going to be difficult for your child. And if they're going to use their formative years spending in the phones rather than exploring the real world, learning with tangible things, meeting real people, learning from them, they are going to start, on a downward spiral of not making the best out of their life. So it's very important that they get into this digital detox habit, and they cannot do it by themselves. So you as a parent must certainly help them. So what should you do? Like I said, install the Google Family Link. I will share the app link as well. It's available on Google Play Store, probably on the Apple as well. And please do check anything equivalent and how you can do that. Okay. So how does the Google Family Link work? Once you install, you take first you install on yourself as a parent and install on your child's as a child, and then set up a window when they will be able to use. Example, preferably not on a weekday morning because they're going to get ready for school. So when they come back, maybe the window could be, example, maybe from 4 to 8 or 4 to 9 in the night. And within that window, okay, they can probably get 1 hour of phone time. On the high side, 1 hour of phone time, maybe 90 minutes if they're really older and they're doing some work, but 1 hour is good. And they can use this 1 hour anyhow. That means they could use 5 minutes, go out to play, come back, use 10 minutes, half an hour, do it all in one shot, really up to them. So this is how you can control. Every time they download an app, you get a notification. Every time they do something else, you get a notification they're downloading these things. You will not be able to monitor their individual messages between friends, but definitely that they were on a certain messenger. Okay, what times they've used and what time automatically it gets cut off. Say at 8 p.m. if you cut off, then 8 p.m. it closes, whether they've used their quota of 1 hour or whatever time you set for them or not. Okay, this is a brilliant app, absolute control over the digital media of your child, in therefore helping them become successful men and women. So this is your responsibility to take care, because this is not an easy one for them to do it, because not easy for us as adults, it's not going to be easy for them, certainly not. Okay, so guys, do this one singular thing and you'll be amazed at the quality of your own life improving, quality of your child's life improving. This is a game-changing app, game-changing practice you can bring into your life and your child's life. Okay, I will be sharing more such videos. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon, and I would be leaving many more videos, not only on parenting but on different aspects of life. I'm Captain Preetham Madhukar, a will strength coach, and my mission is to build will strength in everybody. And what I mean by this is discipline, courage, and clarity, because I found that when you build these 3 pillars, you can achieve success and dreams in anything that your hearts desire. Okay, so this is a simple secret. Work on your discipline, work on your courage, work on your clarity, and that's all there is. I will be bringing more such videos. I hope you liked it. Leave a comment. If you're using some other app, then leave a comment on what you're using. If you've started to use Family Link, leave a comment on how it is and what you like about it. And any other questions you want to ask me on different aspects of lifestyle, parenting, leave it in the comments. I would be happy to take it up as a video topic and share my thoughts on it, and hopefully it can help you as well. But do not forget to subscribe.